Hey, what's up you guys? Installing a trailer hitch on your Honda Pilot can take you to some really cool places, like camping, biking, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that really easy install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. To start off our install, let's point out our attachment points that we'll be using on the driver's side of our vehicle. We'll be using these 3 weld nuts to attach our hitch, and it's identical on the passenger side. Now before we bring our hitch into place with all of those holes, we might need to push our spare tire back a little bit. You just want to make sure that there's enough room for your hitch to come in between your spare tire and your bumper. Ours is far enough back, so we're ready to bring our hitch into place. Now we're ready to bring our hitch into place. We're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as this hitch is pretty heavy and you'll need someone to help you hold it up. Now we're ready to secure our hitch to our vehicle. We're going to be using our 3 provided bolts with conical tooth washers. We're going to make sure that the teeth on those are facing towards the hitch. We'll start on the driver's side. And we'll repeat on the other side. With everything in place, let's go ahead and tighten and torque all of our bolts to the manufacturer's specification. We're going to be using a 22mm socket, and it helps to use a 5-hitch extension. And we'll repeat on the other side. With our hitch installed, we pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to get some important measurements for our hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 3.5 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 14 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories such as a bike rack and cargo carrier. So that wraps up our install and our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch Professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.